The next topic we're going to cover is known as inheritance. When you think of the word inherit in everyday language, you think of what you received from your biological parents, what you inherited from them. When people die, you often inherit their stuff or their money, whatever they own, you inherit. Programming has the same principle. One class can inherit attributes from another class. So, to demonstrate this, we're going to first use what we've already used once or twice, which is extends JFrame. So, the first keyword for inheriting is to extend. So this extends downward the attributes from a higher class. And I'll show you. Extends means to pass down. We'll go with that. Here in NetBeans, I created two new classes. I have new demo 7. I also have a class called build form. New demo 7 holds our main method. And public class build form, we're going to have this class build our form. So, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have this class inherit the JFrame class. So we've seen this done before. Public class build form extends JFrame, a pre-programmed class that we can call to have our frame set up. I want to show you what this looks like in the computer's mind. This right here is if we go over to Paint, I'm going to create two boxes. I'm going to create a line, and I'm just going to leave that alone. Let's do it like this. So this here is actually our build form class. When we gave the form the option to extend, so it's extending out from the JFrame class, that means the JFrame class is passing down all the attributes it has to the build form class and saying, yes, you may have them. So, what does this mean? This means that instead of creating an instance of the JForm each time, we can just extend out the JForm, and in addition to whatever we program into our form, this also can use the things from the JFrame to make our code simpler and to cut down on some of the code we would have to do. So I'm just going to show you real briefly. We did our extension of the JFrame, and real quickly I'm just going to build a constructor using the this keyword. Remember, the this keyword, I'm going to keep putting in quotations because I can't make it stand out otherwise. The this keyword means it refers to itself. That's essentially what it means. It means it's referring to itself. I'm going to bring this back. So, remember, our constructor has to be the same name, so public build form. No parameters today. And we're just going to make the form, a real basic form, show up. So instead of creating an instance of it, JFrame, frame1 equals new JFrame, we're going to say this. We don't have to do that, first of all, because we already have an instance of the JFrame existing, because we extended all the attributes of the JFrame to the build form. So this dot, I'm going to set size. I'm going to set it at 300 by 400. Whatever my fingers are typing this morning. Yep. Help if I type correctly. Then this dot set title, set to inheritance, since that's what we're learning. This dot set visible to true. We'll just leave it at that. I'm not going to use the other attributes, but I'm just going to show you. I need to create an instance of the constructor in the main method to have it show up. And it's going to read build form 1 equals new build form. And here we'll have as soon as it decides to work, our form show up right here. So as you can see, I'll go back over here so we can see it. We cut out a little bit of code by using the extends JFrame and then using the this keyword to set up the parameters on how we want this particular frame to work. And this works not only for pre-programmed classes, but classes that we program as well, which I will show you in one of the next videos. That's the basics behind extends from inheritance.